Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Mr.EnglishBuddy channel. I'm Jessie, and I'm so glad you're here today. Really, I feel like giving everyone a big warm hug.
And I'm Ralph. Hi everyone. You look fantastic today. Yes, you. Don't look behind you, I mean you.
Before we start, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
And it helps your English too. More English, more fun. More new friends.
Yes, and that is our topic today, how to make new friends in English.
A very important topic. Because friends make life happy. And friends share snacks.
Yes, snacks are important. Okay, let's start. So Ralph, making new friends can feel scary, right?
Oh yes. When I was younger, I was shy. Very shy. Super shy. If shyness was a sport, I would win the gold medal.
Really?
Yes. One time, someone said hello, and I panicked and said, "Happy birthday." It wasn't their birthday.
Oh no.
Yes. They looked confused. I looked confused. Everyone looked confused.
But look at you now. Friendly, funny, talkative.
Yes, because I learned simple English phrases for meeting new people.
Perfect. Let's share some today. The first step is easy. Just say hello or hi. Simple. Friendly. Warm.
Yes. And smile. Smiling is international language. Everyone understands a smile.
Ralph, show your smile.
Big goofy smile.
Okay, maybe not that big. But yes, smile.
After hello, you can ask a small question. Something simple like, "What's your name? Where are you from? Do you live here?"
Or even, how's your day? People like learning about you too. For example, you can say, I'm learning English. I like music. I'm new here.
When you share something, the other person can share too. It's like a friendship dance.
A friendship dance.
Yes. Step 1, talk. Step 2, listen. Step 3, snacks.
Snacks again. If you want a friend, you show interest. You can say, really? That's cool. Wow, tell me more.
Yes. These small phrases make the conversation warm and friendly.
Compliments are great. But keep them simple, like, I like your smile. Your English is good. I like your shirt.
Just don't say, I like your nose. That is strange.
Yes. Very strange. Please don't do that.
When the conversation goes well, you can invite them nicely. For example, do you want to get coffee? Do you want to practice English together?
Not too strong, not too fast. Just friendly. Let's show a simple friend-making conversation.
Hi.
Hello.
What's your name?
I'm Jessie. And you?
I'm Ralph.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
Oh, cool. I love Brazilian food.
Really? That's nice.
Do you want to practice English together sometime?
Sure. See? Very simple. Very friendly.
And no one said happy birthday by accident this time.
Great job, Ralph. Okay everyone, let's learn 4 simple phrases from today. 1. Nice to meet you. Use it when you meet someone for the first time. Example. Hi, I'm Jessie. Nice to meet you. 2. Where are you from? A simple question to know more about a person. Example. I'm from Japan. Where are you from? 3. That's cool. A friendly way to show interest. Example. I play guitar. Wow, that's cool. 4. Do you want to? Use it to invite someone. Example. Do you want to get coffee? Do you want to study together?
Making friends can feel scary, but it becomes easy with simple English.
Yes. Just say hello, ask a question, smile, and be kind. Small steps make big friendships.
And big friendships make life happy.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.
And today's question for you is, how do you say hello in your language?
Write it in the comment. We want to learn from you too.
See you next time. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep making new friends.